Good day, I'm Twyla Whelan and this is your JIS News for Monday, May 6, 2024. The first in a series of community consultations for the government's $40 billion road improvement project got underway last week. The town hall meeting on the Shared Prosperity Through Accelerated Improvement to Our Road Network SPARK program was held at the Edith Dalton James High School in St. Andrew on Thursday. It provided an opportunity for residents to engage with various government stakeholders on the road network in their communities that need repair. Minister of Local Government and Community Development Desmond McKenzie reminded the residents that while the project will improve the quality of life, the process will also take time.
Once we collect all the roads, and once the roads are assessed, and once the assessment is done, then after that the process will commence. The National Works Agency has put in place a mechanism that will help to reduce the period of time.
The SPARK program has allocated $20 million for the rehabilitation of community roads, and the remaining $20 million has been set aside to upgrade main roads. The expected outcomes include improved road safety, better localized drainage, reduced travel time and vehicle operating costs, as well as lessened motor vehicle carbon emissions. The meetings were being organized through the Constituency Development Fund, CDF, with approximately 228 divisions being targeted for consultations.
This is a collective response to dealing with our community roads. We are not telling you that this is the answer to all our problems, but this is a start. And this is your tax dollar that is being used in a way, giving you for the first time the opportunity to participate in a program of this nature.
Approximately 1,500 new jobs are about to come on stream in the tourism sector with the opening of 2 new hotels in Western Jamaica. Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett gave the details during his opening presentation of the 2024-2025 sectoral debate last Tuesday. Minister Bartlett said the new positions will result from the completion of more than 2,000 new rooms this year.
We will open one with 750 rooms in Trelawney, Rio, yes, and later in the month of May, we will open one in Green Island with 1,000 rooms, Princess, and that will provide a new wave of some 1,500 new jobs. Not 1,500 jobs that had been poached. New jobs created for people.
Meanwhile, Minister Bartlett informed that 29% of visitor arrivals stayed in an Airbnb.
It is a new dynamic business model that is revolutionizing the accommodation subsector and is generating income and resources to the ordinary people across the length and breadth of Jamaica.
According to Minister Bartlett, data for 2023 has indicated that Airbnb generated an estimated $31.8 billion in gross earnings from 1.3 million guest nights. Ministry of Finance and the Public Service says it will be instituting the Government of Jamaica Procurement Awards as an incentive for staff in this field. The initiative aims to celebrate excellence and innovation in the public procurement system across various entities. Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark says the awards are intended to motivate individuals and teams within ministries, departments, and agencies to strive for excellence in public procurement practices.
Our intention is to make public procurement a rewarding career choice and option, with various ladders and stages of articulation through the system, that you can stay in public procurement for your entire career and have a fulfilling career, that it is seen as a place where you can earn respect for your professionalism and you can aid in national development.
Minister Clark says the GOJ Procurement Awards are also expected to raise the profile of public procurement and highlight its importance in driving efficiency and transparency in government operations. He was speaking at the recent Elevate Procurement Conference at the Montego Bay Convention Center. And finally, 40 fisherfolk based at the Discovery Bay Fisherman's Beach in St. Anne are now using climate change techniques in their operations after being trained by the Ministry of Agriculture, Fisheries and Mining. Half of the participants received certificates in horizontal longline fishing, while the rest were certified in the use of fish aggregating devices, FADs. This is part of the ministry's Promoting Community-Based Climate Resilience in the Fisheries Sector project. Speaking at the handing over ceremony recently, Portfolio Minister Floyd Green said the program looked at all the challenges in the fisheries sector and prescribed solutions. He indicated that the training of the fisherfolk is one element of a comprehensive fisheries program aimed at alleviating the declining fish stock within the region and retooling artisanal fishers.
Fisheries continues to play a critical economic, social and cultural role for us as Jamaicans. So many communities depend on the fisheries sector for their survival. So many families are directly impacted by the work of our fishers. But as we know, our fisheries sector has faced its fair share of challenges.
Minister Green says the island is among the highest consumers of fish per capita in the world. However, most of the fish consumed are imported.
In fact, we are way past most of the region. But the reality is that 68% of the fish that we consume is imported. And we have to put a stop to that. And the only way we can put a stop to that is by ensuring that our fishers are able to go further out and to treat with the realities of climate change.
During the ceremony, the fisherfolk also received full pelagic fishing gear and equipment from the ministry, including ice boxes, VHF marine radios, catch lines and hooks. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Twyla Whelan. Thanks for watching.